So Sebas came up to me and was like, yo, I have an idea for us to make a little bit of money because, you know, we were second guessing our move to LA and shit, and we just want something solid to pay our rent. So he brought the great idea to me, and we're going to start building from it. The product is something seasonal. Should we tell them what the product is?
All right. So you guys are going to see this.
He's already going to see
We'll go
it.
like this. You guys are going to see this once it's already all done. So this is going to be more like a case study where we literally share every single thing because we don't really care about this product. It's just like a
literally doesn't
quick,
matter.
It's literally like something that we came up with the idea right now. Something that's about 20 days away. So we're literally just going to record this as a case study for YouTube for free.
Yeah.
So you guys watch it. We're going to take a product from zero to low ball 50K, high ball
it's
over 100K.
It's going to be over 100K. With the way that we're going to do things, we might have to censor some of the things out because it's like special, unique tactics. But
so the only thing that we won't share entirely is a few influencers that we're gonna use that we have relationships with, especially Fez.
Private.
So I came up with the product and everything. I knew Fez has really good connections here in LA, influencer wise. So I was like, yo, if we team up right now, we take this product. This rent is obviously. We could afford it from the work we've done in the past 3 years that we've been drop shipping because we've been drop shipping for the same time. Yeah. But at the same time, we like being frugal. We don't like spending too much. So it's like it's something that's there, but it wouldn't really make sense to pay it if we're not making money out of being in the house together. Yeah, I don't know. We're very excited. We're gonna document the whole journey so you guys see it. We're literally trying to make like a little YouTube series showing how we take a brand from 0 to 50K or 100K plus. It depends on the influence. But we're trying to show literally everything step by step. We're gonna hire a videographer to come record when the stock gets in, how we get the stock to the fulfillment center, how we manage everything, so you guys can see it here on YouTube. Doing this right here. We're talking to the supplier right now. Literally, the thing is that Chinese New Year is around the corner, so we cannot drop ship. We need to have stock.
It's January 14th.
So we have to have stock in order to make this happen. Yeah. So we're planning on starting with 1,000 units, which is, you know, on the low end. Worst case scenario, let's say things don't go through, there is gonna be a lot of people selling these bears that's gonna work out, so we could just list them on AliExpress and ship from US, so there's no risk with this investment because people are gonna be looking for these bears regardless. We paid 25 G's for inventory for 2,300 units, so that's like $11 a unit. Average order value when I sold this last year was $44.95, so that would net 103K
net.
I mean that would gross 103K. Let's say 66% margins, so it's 68K net. Let's take off like an extra 3K for fees and shit, and then 30K, and that leaves us with 35K. So this is the thing, as we explained yesterday, yes, if this goes well and we sell out and we have to get more stock, it will cover our rent, which that's a win already. Because, you know, it would make that coming to LA basically free or worthwhile, and it didn't come out of pocket. But if we're able to do what we're planning on doing, which at this rate it should be like at least a $70,000 day, that's gonna make some real good YouTube content, especially with this little.
It's more long term than just a quick buck,
and especially with this little like documentary thing that we're doing for you guys. This is stemming from that. So it's like we're showing you how within a span of 10-20 days, obviously not everyone can just go ahead and shell out 20K a pop, which I'm still scared to shell out 20K and like lose it. You feel me? Because the house was a good amount, so if I lose that in this, that's a really big amount that I wouldn't want to lose. So hopefully things go well, and hopefully when you guys watch this documentary, it's on a positive note.
But hey, even if it does turn out to be negative, it's a good learning experience for anyone.
A real bad.
But we're not jumping into this head first. Like, I have experience with.
I mean,
the product.
It should work out.
It's just a recipe to success, but of course, there's always going to be some risk involved. But you'll never know what's on the other side of risk until you actually complete it.
Okay.
So.
All right, guys. So look, we just wanted to make sure that the supplier, since it's Chinese New Year's in like 2 days, we need the supplier to ship. So I wanted to have this in writing, so when we pay the $13,000 worth of stock to this supplier, if they don't ship, we have proof that they said that they would ship before. So if they don't, we get our money back. So let's pay it.
So this is gonna be one.
This is only one,
We're
the
doing
first
two
one.
suppliers?
We're doing 2 suppliers.
Same product quality.
Yeah, same. I mean, it's all the same shit.
Okay.
So we paid for the first one. It was 4K. It was actually 4.13 because of the fee. As you guys.
We're doing this through credit card so we could get it immediately. Because if you do wire, then it takes a little bit longer.
But look, paying with credit card.
Amex now too. See,
Yeah, but
fine.
Amex is a much higher fee.
Really?
Look, the fee here is 135, and Amex is
Probably double.
160.
Oh,
Not that much.
$30.
Or whatever. Amex, I have to pay that even sooner, so. That's fucked. That's 135. That's like an extra 10 orders worth of fees.
That's fine.
Chase is about to call me.
Alright, cool. Processed.
Jeez.
If anything happens, we can just dispute all the charges.
That's not happening.
That's how you get your money back and you launch a business with $0 startup cost.
So text this guy's manager and be like, all right, we just went ahead and ordered more stock since I know that'd be.
Let me tell him.
Because we can't have this guy back out.
How many units? 3,000?
We just ordered another 1,500 units. Samples are here. Let's get it. Pretty massive. Yo, we're here with the boy Armin. We're about to go shoot the bears. You see the bear back there?
Yes, sir.
So, we're about to go get some content. This is probably like step 4. I know you guys saw the very first day when Fez and I had the idea. Then the day after, we obviously ordered all the stock and everything. It was the biggest hassle because of Chinese New Year's. And one of the suppliers that was going to ship 1.3K units flaked. They sent a message saying that they were going to ship by sea. That was going to take like 20-30 days. And we're like freaking out because we had already sent the payment. So we're like, what do we do at this point? And then fortunately, we're able to have another supplier just take care of the whole stock. So it looks like things are going well. Hopefully we get the stock with no problems. And we can sell. We're about to go get some content. The boy Armin here is
Yes,
crazy
sir.
when it comes to content.
We about to go hit that shit.
So hitting Rodeo, and let's see if we can get some girls, some couples posting with the bears so we can use it as content.
Ho! Yeah. You know how the story go. You done shot my style, you done stole my flow. You done seen me out, you can snow hello. And you wonder why, man, you
At the Rose City Bear, we're about to go up to people and try to make an ad just like this for free on Rodeo Drive. That's how you do it, alright?
We're gonna get some free models, free actors to act in our ad. I hate doing shit like this, so I don't like talking to strangers like that, but he does clearly every time we go out. It's kind of like secondhand embarrassment because he just starts talking to people on some weird shit. So
That's so cute, right?
let's see, we're gonna see if we can get some pictures, some content,
I just got to
see what happens.
chilling.
so it's getting a little dark. We haven't found any couple to take a picture with it or any girl, but we've definitely gotten some crazy pictures which we'll throw right here around the frame because yo, that shit's beautiful. But yeah, I don't know, we're figuring out right now. We're gonna see what we do, where we go, and what we can find.
You gotta do it. Oh, you know what? You could do one where I get in it and I'm just like, oh my god, look what he got.
And then we can do one that you're gonna give it to her, like it's your girlfriend. I don't know. Like best friends will give each other stuff.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
All right, go.
Funny as hell.
Go.
Oh, thank you so much. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Armin here clutched it. So he got a couple, which we'll put the clips right here. We got pictures and everything, and they were super happy about it. They were like, "Oh my God, this is beautiful," whatever. So we got that couple. We might go to a mall right now, see if we can get something else. We definitely got enough content to launch tonight at 12. Some ads, and yeah, go check out the boy Armin on Instagram.
Yes, sir. At Alpha Armin.
We'll pop a little Instagram pop tag here.
Yes.
Cause he's GOAT when it comes to content and shit. So let's see what we do now. So it's 1 a.m. I believe, and we're here building the site. As you guys can see, I imported the products. I used Oberlo to import them just because it brings pictures and everything. Then we optimize. Just checked on one of my client campaigns. And yesterday we killed it. 8 ROAS, 815 for lifetime. We've spent 2.567 to make 16,155 with a 6.29 ROAS, which is beautiful. That's some good client results right there. Good customers, client results. Yeah. So we're about to set this up. I'm very excited. I'm trying to get some sales tomorrow. So I'm gonna set that up. I'm gonna set up Facebook ads. I'm gonna set up Google ads, which is how we're gonna do some consistent sales. And we're gonna set up TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and it's gonna kill it. So we're shooting for 60K in the day of launch. 60K revenue first day. Hopefully we can get to that. We need to move 4,000 units. We have 4,000 stock. We invested $25,000 into this. 26,000. So we gotta move all that. So it's a little scary, but you guys are seeing everything, the whole process. You guys know how to make a site, so that's not really something that we have to show everything step by step. But I don't know, man. Let's make this work. 1:20 a.m. update. We're watching the Aaron Hernandez documentary while launching ads. So let's see how long it takes to get our first sale. Ended up staying up till like 3 a.m. We woke up to our first sale. Pretty solid conversion rate.